Morning. Live today, York Specialties. Coming to bring you some news. What do y'all think about this Canara virus? Man, it's something else, I'm telling you. I think it's spreading more than they're saying. I think it's going to be bigger than what they're talking about. A whole lot. I think we ought to prepare. What do y'all think? Leave your comments. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe. I'm going to try to keep bringing the news. Keep watching the videos. Look for the clues. If you like to trade, there's going to be some trading clues too. I'm going to keep pushing this stuff until I can get my channel open to where I can bring y'all the live events. I want to thank each and every one of you. Y'all just keep coming back. Man, keep your eyes open on this stuff. It's getting bad out here. Gotta start staying more healthy, clean. Wash your hands. Make sure you don't put your hands in your mouth. Keep them away from your mouth. Try to stay away from somebody if they look like they're sick. That's all I can say. Because we really don't know where it's all at. I don't think they really know. But that's just my opinion. Now, y'all give y'all's opinion. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this channel, and keep coming back. And go to www.davidyork1313.wix.com. Y'all come join us now. That's York Specialties. We're gonna have some products, some music, tracks you can download. Gonna be some new up and coming talent coming. Gonna be some new shows coming. Everything will be on my YouTube channel. If you just keep coming back, keep checking it out till we can get it built up and get it put out there. I hope you enjoy everything you're getting. If you don't, just please leave a comment. Let me know what's going on so I can change a few things if I need to. I know I'm not the best at this stuff, but I'm trying to get there. And I want to still thank everybody. God bless everybody. Like I said, keep your eyes open for this stuff right here. It's getting bad, man. They ain't even really, I don't even think they know where it's coming from or where it came from. They keep saying they do, but if they did, it seems like they would have something for it right now, but they don't. So we just gotta keep praying and hoping that they'll get something and it'll get cured, go away, and we can move on with our daily lives. Keep striving to do the best we can. Strive to be as perfect as we can. We know we can't be perfect, but we can strive to be. So just try to get there and keep trying to motivate yourself to do better. It's hard sometimes to get down and out and things get you down. Just keep pushing. That's what you gotta do. Keep looking for new opportunities and ask for God's forgiveness. He will lead you and guide you in the right way. I want to thank each and every one of you. God bless you all. Keep coming back to the channel. Thank you once again. Welcome, YouTubers, back
back again. Y'all come back and check this thing out. Some more stuff coming for you. Come back, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell. Now you guys tell me what y'all think. Y'all think it's gonna go down? You think it's gonna go up? Send them likes in. Send some comments. Let me know what y'all think. It's gonna get real crazy this week. Stock market's going up and down. Real volatile. Y'all find the clues, you might get ready. Now this is what I think. I think the feds are involved. I think it's gonna go up for a little bit and back down real hard. Y'all be ready, you better grab them puts. Y'all keep coming back. Smash them likes, man. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Smash the bell.